So it's a beautiful October afternoon. We're over in Sewickley, and now we're putting in the prairie seed, which fall is the ideal time to do because the seed needs a winter cold cycle for it to germinate properly. I'm very appreciative of the folks at Prairie Nursery, especially Neil, the owner. They're in Wisconsin and they know prairies. If Justin will zoom in on this soil a little, it's awful, terrible clay and shale. Mesic soils, which is very common in Sewickley and which is ideal soil for prairie. This is an interesting site. This is a bog. You can see prints from deer coming in and drinking. We've seen blue heron while we were working here. We've seen a lot of red-winged blackbirds. And it's a detention basin for a well that is somewhere on the homeowner's property. And the homeowner wanted to try to utilize the hillside. So that's what we're working on, trying to give the homeowner a beautiful hillside. So what we did, I'm casting sawdust right now, which has mixed in it the wildflower seed, which is pretty pricey stuff, but you get what you pay for. And the key is to take all the seed and mix it in with the sawdust because it gives it something to adhere to. And you can see, so you know when you've spread it, because most of the seed is very black and very, very tiny. And you can't see it. So this way, you're certain that you get a good even distribution throughout the whole site. I've seeded pretty much the entire hillside except for over there. I'm down in the basin area right now. All the roof water from all the homes on the end of this cul-de-sac comes down into here. So this really doesn't pond up all that much. You can see the cattails in the low spot. What we did at the site was in early spring, we sprayed it with an herbicide that is water safe, approved by the EPA and the DEP, and we killed the hillside. If Justin zooms over to his right and to his left, that's what the homeowner had when we came here. We sprayed the hillside with the herbicide, let it die for a month. We mowed it with a brush hog on a skid loader. Then we used an excavator, and Justin comes up here. We put in a flat spot right here for the homeowners to plant a vegetable garden, or we'll probably plant it for them next spring. It'll be all organics, as all the vegetables we do. This hillside is going to be all wildflower mix that is suitable for this site. Dry, terrible soil, deer resistant, low growing. I'll show you at the top what we did for the homeowners, but now they're going to overlook a wildflower prairie and have a really great place for the children. They have 2 young children. The homeowner was interested in trying to create a place for the children to get closer to nature, and that's the best kind of projects that I like to do. Nurture nature. So I advocated really dreaming and utilizing this hillside, putting in a flagstone patio area, which is here, with some stairs going up from the vegetable garden to the flagstone area. Flowers all around here. It doesn't look like much now because it's late season. We'll shoot some more video in the spring. And then Justin will shoot the stairs that we put in using an excavator. Most of these weigh about a half a ton. We put in a big trench with gravel and geotextile and built the stairs up to the deck. This we have 3 pin oaks that'll give the homeowners a nice canopy of shade at some point. They're going to put a little fire pit down here, and then if Justin shoots over here, we put some stairs and a path down to the bog for the children to explore nature and look for salamanders and other critters. Go up the steps here.